today, so here we go. Let's see how this work goes. Wait, hey, get out of here. Ah, take that. It's like, see, it's like this. Go down. It's the other way. No! Hey! Me. Come on. It's not fair. Flip some weights. No! Not fair! I'm off. No! Go to the ocean. I'm gonna go to the ocean. No, 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 no fair. No fair. Fair. No! How did I fall over again? I fell over again. Oh.
Okay, sorry, we might have had a small glitch, I'm not sure. But if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Tate's videos. He has a lot, but he would want more. Don't you want more, buddy?
Yeah, I do.
He's trying to get 1 million here, so if you can help a bro out, that'd be good.
I'm going to the ocean. I'm going to the ocean. I'm already at the beach. I'm already at the beach. Yes, I'm gonna go to the ocean. But yeah, the ocean killed me. I fell in the world. I only wanted to touch the ocean. Did you see that? Did you see that? Oh, that's it. You're in trouble, mister. Oh! I'm just shaking my booty. That's the picture. Okay. I'm running.
We're gonna have to end this video soon.
Yes, I'm gonna join the Rumble. Tumble. Yes, I said I want to join the Rumble. So, bye, Taryn. Bye. Oh my gosh, you're so bad people. It's so easy. It's gonna be so easy, guys. It's gonna be so easy. It's so easy. This guy. T-Win and Test Guy. There is T-Y. These guys are gonna be easy. Except I'm kind of worried because some people are big, but they're really actually. Some people are small, but they're actually really strong. There we go. There we go. I think it is. T-Y, here we go. Come on, I need to have a turn. Burn, a little turn. Yeah. Need to be thin so I can be up some peeps. In the video. Okay? Here we go. After I download the video. I'm going to be chosen, but I ran the video. The zombies are jumping. I love this game. W has been chosen. This guy. Oh, he's been speak. Sweet. This guy is go. Here we go. Here's the joy. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Wait. Send me something, please. I can sign in. Nine. I'm going to be chosen. 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Come on, Jake. Okay, here we go. Gonna be chosen one. Yes. Finally. No. Let's just dig around. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, good guy. Oh, Patrick guy. Patrick. Oh, sorry, I'm at the end of the video now. You know, I checked my booty. So, well, remember what my sister was saying. Please subscribe and give thumbs up. Okay? Ow, I'm gonna die. Okay, so please subscribe. Please subscribe and thumbs up. And bye.